Ndigutiga kuruta watho wanyu gwikinya igoti-ini kuhithuria kuri arume atatu kuma Mlolongo mari thutha wa ukura mweri-ini wa Dithemba mwaka muhituku. Ino ni miario ya mucirithania wa igoti inene Chacha Mwita yerekeirio kuri Inspector General wa borithi Douglas Kanja na muthuthuria munene Mohamed Amin aria makoretwo makiagarara watho wa gwikinya igoti-ini riake kuheana ndumiriri cia bata iguru rigie kuragwo atatu acio.
There is no reason given to this court why the first, second, third and fifth respondents are not before court. I've seen the affidavit of service sworn on 13th of this month, today, by Mr. Odiwar, and he confirms my service was effected on 9th of January 2025 by email.
Kana ga kiumia kihituku mucirithania Mwita ni athanite Justus Mutumwa, Martin Mwau na Karani Mwema marekererio kana mĩĩrĩ yao ĩtwarwo mbere igoti riake. Igoti-inĩ ringi mbere ya mucirithania Bahati Mwamuye, Kanja na Amin mahetwo mweke wa muthia gwikinya igoti-inĩ gutariria uria gwathire na mbere kuri anake aria merĩga kunyitwo mĩgwate aria ni amwe na Peter Muteti, Bernard Kavuli, Billy Mwangi, Gideon Kibet, Ronnie Kiplagat na Stephen Kavingo.
The Inspector General of Police and the Director of Criminal Investigations do present bodies of Justus Mutumwa, Martin Mwau and Karani Mwema before this court on 17th of January 2025 at 10 a.m.
Kanja na Amin mathitwo ni mucirithania Mwita gwikinya mbere igoti riake tariki 17 mweri uyu na kurekereria arume acio atatu kuma Mlolongo orio. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mathew Ndung'u wa Mbugua.